Are you looking for a way to make a passive income? Are you interested in the potential of AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing? If so, you've come to the right place. Making more than $2,000 a week with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing is possible. It's a great way to make money from home, and this guide will show you how to do it. Here you'll learn the basics of AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing, how to set up your own AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing website, and how to find the best products to promote. With the right strategies, you can be making money in no time. So, if you're ready to make an income with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing, keep reading. Let's get started. How to make $2,000 plus a week with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. Are you looking for a way to make a passive income? Are you interested in the potential of AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing? If so, you've come to the right place. Making more than $2,000 a week with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing is possible. It's a great way to make money from home, and this guide will show you how to do it. Here you'll learn the basics of AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing, how to set up your own AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing website, and how to find the best products to promote. With the right strategies, you can be making money in no time. So, if you're ready to make an income with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing, keep reading. Let's get started. What is AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing? AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing is a type of affiliate marketing that uses artificial intelligence, AI, bots to automate certain aspects of the process. The bots are programmed to search for and promote products on an affiliate website. This type of marketing is becoming increasingly popular as it eliminates the need for manual labor, allowing marketers to focus on other aspects of their business. AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing is a great way to start making a passive income, as it requires little to no upfront investment. It can also be used to supplement an existing income, allowing marketers to make more money with less effort. Additionally, the use of AI bots allows marketers to scale their businesses more quickly and efficiently. One of the best things about AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing is that it can be used to target specific audiences. AI bots can be programmed to look for products that are relevant to a particular demographic or niche. This means that marketers can focus their efforts on promoting products that are likely to be of interest to their target audience, increasing the chances of making a sale. Advantages of AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing offers a number of advantages over traditional affiliate marketing. Firstly, it can help to reduce the amount of time required to promote products, as the bots can take care of the tedious tasks such as finding and evaluating products. This can free up marketers to focus on other aspects of their business. Another advantage of AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing is that it can help to increase sales. AI bots are able to analyze data and use it to find products that are likely to be of interest to the target audience. This means that marketers can promote products that their audience is more likely to purchase, increasing the chances of making a sale. Finally, AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing can help to reduce costs, as the bots can take care of many of the tasks that would otherwise be done manually. This can help to keep marketing costs down, thus increasing the potential for profits. Setting up your AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing website. The first step in setting up an AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing website is to choose a domain name and hosting provider. It's important to choose a hosting provider that offers reliable uptime and good customer service. Once you've chosen a domain name and hosting provider, you'll need to install WordPress on your domain. This will be the platform you'll use to create your website. After you've installed WordPress, you'll need to choose a theme. A good theme will be easy to use and have features that are relevant to your niche. You'll also need to install plugins that will help you to manage and optimize your website. Some of the most popular plugins for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing websites include Yoast SEO and WP Affiliate Manager. Once you've chosen a theme and installed the necessary plugins, you'll need to set up an account with an AI bot-assisted affiliate program. This is the program that will provide you with the products to promote. Popular AI bot-assisted affiliate programs include ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and ShareASale. How to find the best products to promote. Finding the best products to promote is essential for successful AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. It's important to research products thoroughly before promoting them, as this will help you to identify the ones that are most likely to be of interest to your target audience. The best way to find products to promote is to use AI bot-assisted tools such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These tools allow you to search for products based on keywords, categories, and other criteria. This makes it easier to find products that are relevant to your niche. You can also use AI bot-assisted tools to compare prices, read reviews, and check availability. Once you've identified the products you'd like to promote, you should create a list of them and track their performance. This will help you to identify the products that are most likely to be successful and focus your efforts on promoting them. How to optimize your website for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. It's important to ensure that your website is optimized for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. This will help to ensure that the AI bots are able to find and promote the products you've chosen. One of the most important things you can do to optimize your website is to use SEO, search engine optimization. This will help to ensure that your website is visible to search engines, thus increasing the chances of it being found by AI bots. You can use SEO tools such as Yoast SEO to optimize your website for search engines. You should also make sure that your website is easy to navigate. This will make it easier for AI bots to find the products you're promoting. You should also include relevant keywords in the product descriptions and titles, as this will help to ensure that your website is found by AI bots. Tips and tricks for successful AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. Successful AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing requires a lot of trial and error. Here are some tips and tricks that can help to ensure that your AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing campaign is successful. 1. Make sure you have a clear goal. 1. Before you start your AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing campaign, you should have a clear goal. 1. This will help to ensure that you're focusing your efforts on the right products and strategies. 2. Track your performance. 2. You should track your performance regularly in order to identify successful strategies and products. 2. This will help you to focus your efforts on the most successful products and strategies. 3. Use the right tools. 3. It's important to use the right tools for your AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing campaign. 3. This will help to ensure that your AI bots are able to find the most relevant products and optimize your website for search engines. 4. Test different strategies. 4. You should test different strategies in order to identify the ones that are most successful. 4. This will help you to focus your efforts on the strategies that are most likely to be successful. 5. Monitor your competition. 5. It's important to monitor your competition in order to identify successful products and strategies. 5. This will help you to stay ahead of the competition and ensure that your AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing campaign is successful. Strategies for increasing your affiliate income. There are a number of strategies that can be used to increase your affiliate income. Here are some of the most effective strategies. 1. Increase your traffic. 1. Increasing your traffic is one of the best ways to increase your affiliate income. 1. You can use SEO and other marketing strategies to increase your website's visibility and attract more visitors. 2. Improve your website. 2. Improving your website is another effective way to increase your affiliate income. 2. You can use SEO, design, and other strategies to make your website more attractive to visitors and increase the chances of making sales. 3. Promote more products. 3. Promoting more products is another effective way to increase your affiliate income. 3. You can use AI bot-assisted tools to identify products that are likely to be of interest to your target audience. 4. Use email marketing. 4. Email marketing is another effective way to increase your affiliate income. 4. You can use email marketing to promote products to your subscribers and encourage them to make purchases. 5. Offer discounts and promotions. 5. Offering discounts and promotions is another effective way to increase your affiliate income. 5. You can offer discounts and promotions to encourage customers to buy products from your website. Courses and resources to help you succeed with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. There are a number of courses and resources available to help you succeed with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. These include online courses, books, and blogs. Here are some of the most popular courses and resources. 1. AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing courses. 1. There are a number of courses available to help you succeed with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. 1. These courses cover topics such as setting up your website, finding the best products to promote, and optimizing your website for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. 2. AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing books. 2. There are also a number of books available that cover topics such as setting up your website, finding the best products to promote, and optimizing your website for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. 3. AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing blogs. 3. There are a number of blogs available that provide tips and advice on AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. 3. These blogs are a great source of information and can help you to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. Common mistakes to avoid. In order to succeed with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Here are some of the most common mistakes to avoid. 1. Not researching products thoroughly. 1. It's important to research products thoroughly before promoting them. 1. This will help you to identify products that are most likely to be of interest to your target audience. 2. Not optimizing your website for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. 2. It's important to optimize your website for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing. 2. This will help to ensure that the AI bots are able to find the products you're promoting. 3. Not tracking performance. 3. It's important to track your performance in order to identify successful products and strategies. 3. This will help you to focus your efforts on the most successful products and strategies. 4. Not using the right tools. 4. It's important to use the right tools for your AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing campaign. 4. This will help to ensure that your AI bots are able to find the most relevant products and optimize your website for search engines. 5. Not testing different strategies. 5. You should test different strategies in order to identify the ones that are most successful. 5. This will help you to focus your efforts on the strategies that are most likely to be successful. Conclusion. AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing is a great way to make a passive income. It requires little to no upfront investment and can be used to target specific audiences. The key to success is to research products thoroughly, optimize your website for AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing, and test different strategies. With the right strategies, you can be making money in no time. So, if you're ready to make an income with AI bot-assisted affiliate marketing, get started today.